Hello everyone. Let us we will see the new problem on projection of projection of line. So this is the problem statement that a line AB of length 75 mm has its point A 25 mm above the HP and 15 mm in front of VP. It is inclined at 35 degree to the VP and its plane length is 50 mm. Draw the projection of inclination with the HP and locate the traces. Okay, so in same way, let us draw a one vertical line, one horizontal axis. This is the axis XY. Next 75 mm true length is given and point A is 25 mm above the HP. So this is A dash, then and 15 mm, so this is 15 A. So draw a one horizontal line from each point. So this is also horizontal. Then it is inclined at 35 degree to VP and it is inclined at 35 degree to VP. Its plane length is 50 mm. Draw the projection. Okay, so plane length is given and inclination is also given. So let us we will draw a 50 mm plane length line at an angle of 35 from here. So this is plane length. Suppose this is up to this is 50 mm. So this is A, so this is B. So draw a one horizontal line which is parallel to the axis. It is nothing but the locus. Okay, next take this distance into compass and draw a one arc up to this. Okay, next take this line in vertical upward direction. So this is the line. Now take a distance of 75 into compass because true length is given and cut this line. Suppose this is cutting here, so join this point. This is TL is equal to 75 mm. Draw a horizontal line from this. This is nothing but the locus. Okay, it is locus in the front view. Now from this point draw a vertical up to this which cuts this locus. So let us we will draw a vertical which cutting here. So this is B dash, this is A dash. Join these 2 points. This is EL. Okay, next so next take this distance into compass and up to this. So this is B2 dash and draw a vertical line which cut this locus here. So this is B2 and join this. This is true length. Okay, so this is theta, this is phi, this is alpha, this is phi, this is beta. Now we have to find out the traces now. So extend EL and PL. So this is okay and also this which cutting to each other here. Okay, so from here draw a vertical, from here draw a vertical. So this is nothing but H dash V dash V. This is nothing but the traces. Okay, so This is for projection of point which is inclined to both HP and VP. So measure these theta, phi, alpha, beta. Then this is PL. This is true length. Then you can also measure this EL and PL. PL is given but EL is not given, so you can measure it. Then you can also measure the stresses which is given to us. Okay, so this is nothing but the projection of line which is inclined to both HP and VP.